Oasis. Introducing the Oasis Azure Thermal Cooker, the greener way to healthy cooking. The Azure Thermal Cooker is built with Swiss design and quality stainless steel, which makes it lightweight, safe to use, and easy to handle. It contains 2 pots, an inner pot and a steam rack, which allows you to cook 2 dishes at the same time. It's easy to use the Azure Thermal Cooker. First, put the ingredients into the inner pot. Simmer for about 10 to 20 minutes. Place the inner pot inside the thermal cooker and close the lid. After about 2 to 4 hours, the food is cooked and ready to be served. With the Azure Thermal Cooker, you can make healthy, tasty meals in 3 easy steps. How does it do that? The Azure Thermal Cooker has an airtight cover and double-walled vacuum insulation, so heat does not escape by conduction or convection. Therefore, it can retain heat at above 60 degrees Celsius for up to 12 hours. By using this trapped heat to cook food, you use less electricity and gas. You spend less time cooking, but still get to enjoy the original flavour of the food. And you don't have to worry about your food getting burned or overcooked. And because it can retain heat for up to 8 hours, you can carry it anywhere while the food is still cooking inside. Oasis Azure Thermal Cooker, the greener way to healthy cooking.
大家好，我係 Margaret 林馬三。今日我愛介紹呢個 Oasis 燜燒煲嚟煮呢個rendang雞。我需要嘅材料係，我哋需要600 gram 個雞肉。呢個係磨好嘅綜合辣椒料，入邊有辣椒乾啦、洋葱、蒜米。 石鼓仔，然後加呢個香料粉，就係咖喱粉、黃薑粉、小茴香，即是係煎蛋布丁哦，仲有呢個芫茜粉、八風金葉、黃薑葉、南薑1嚿打扁佢，薑又係1嚿打扁佢，香茅又係打扁佢，2片呢個pandan葉。調味料咧就係 gula Melaka、鹽。 醬油，呢個炒香嘅椰絲、椰漿同埋水。首先，我哋開火，燒熱我哋嘅油，然後炒香我哋嘅辣椒料。 辣椒炒香咗，我哋加個香料啦。而家我哋加我哋嘅雞落去啦，嚇。 炒咗個雞筋均勻咗咧，我哋就加個椰漿啦。然後再加水。攪均勻咗咧，我哋可以加我哋嘅調味料啦。 再炒佢，仲有呢個椰絲啦，然後我哋冚呢個蓋，燜去10分鐘。OK， 10分鐘之後，我哋將我哋嘅內鍋放入我哋嘅 Oasis 嘅燜燒煲。 俾佢自動燜煮2個小時，不經不覺已經2個小時咗啦。而家我哋可以享用我哋嘅rendang雞。